I can also use aPriori to optimize my manufacturing throughput. So we make our own stuff in our organization, some of it, but we also have suppliers who do the same thing. They're trying to optimize their throughput. So how does aPriori help with that? Well, first of all, it gives us reports. So here's a list for a package of work of each machine and its capacity requirement in terms of hours. So to make all this stuff, I need this much 5-axis capacity, this much 4-axis capacity. It knows this because it has a cycle time and a set of information and other parameters that can add into the overall requirements. So therefore, I can decide if this is possible to make internally, or do I need to route it somewhere else. If I make it internally, I know how much machine I need. If I don't have capacity for 5-axis, I could switch to 4 and get aPriori to rerun the simulation, and I know what the impact's going to be. It will tell me how much time I'm going to need in 4-axis. It'll be a bit more because there might be some more setups involved. It might be less powerful machines, but I can see the output of that and make decisions and route my parts through my manufacturing facility based on that. My suppliers will do exactly the same. In fact, when I give my suppliers bid packages to work on, I'll provide this with them too, so they can make best decisions that don't hurt them or me later on. aPriori does the same with material as well. But if we look at our internal costs, let's say 32 million, and we take 3% out of this through better utilization, then that's worth nearly $1 million to us. Just by optimizing our manufacturing facilities a smidge, just a wee bit better equals nearly $1 million.